This is the BCG08. It's a beautiful health smartwatch with lots of different functions in it. You have all your standard controls, brightness, and find your phone, do not disturb information. You even can use it as a remote camera directly from the watch. Swipe up, you get notifications sent to you from your phone if you have any. As we go across, you find you've got your step count information, distance traveled, and calories burned. Land on this page, you've got your heart rate over the last 24 hours, high, low, and the current heart rate being computed as soon as you land on the page. One more, you got blood pressure, your last blood pressure, systolic, diastolic, and a very animated screen as it calculates your blood pressure currently using the green diodes in the back. A real live ECG. Check this out, guys. I touch the electrode on this side. I can hold there if I want to, and it goes into an actual ECG chart once it settles down after me fiddling with it, and you can see your RR peaks in your heart wave. Look at that. And it's using that to compute an ECG heart rate down below, which appears to be much more accurate because it's actually using the heart's electrical signal. It'll do that while that circle closes down at the bottom, and when it's completed, the artificial intelligence will give you a synopsis of whether you have regular rhythm or something you should look into further, like this. Sinus rhythm is it's okay as it's looking at it. This will not transfer to the app, but you can take the same thing from the app, and that ECG will remain on the app, and you can use it for whatever purposes you want to at that point. That's ECG. Come again, you got blood oxygen. That's using the red diode and infrared diode technology. I'll show you something at the very end. Pretty cool. You got your body temperature in either centigrade or Fahrenheit. Takes a moment to measure it. It'll tell you your skin temperature as well as your actual body temperature through a calculation with an algorithm. Skin, body. Then you've got your sleep time from last night and more details in the overall app as well. And then, of course, you got weather in your area and a forecast. Come back here, you can switch it to a few different watch faces, including some downloadable ones like this one, where I got analog, digital, and all kinds of information. When you tap the buttons here, you turn it on and off. This button will take you into your overall app drawer that shows you all the other features in here. And you have workouts for outdoor run, walk, indoor, and so forth. No GPS in the watch, but it will pair with your phone and give you a GPS track as long as you take your phone along with you too. It's got all of these different features built into it. Comes with some nice bands that you can choose the color. You've got the electrodes on the back, the side electrode here, 2 buttons on the side, and look at that one. That's a very unique infrared, we think, type of a skin-penetrating diode that gives you even more advanced information and accuracy. It's called the BCG08. Check it out.